Hi there, students. A wad. A wad. Okay, a wad is a lump of something that's pressed tightly together. It can be sheets of flat sheets pressed together or all pressed together. So a wad of chewing gum. Yeah, she took the wad of chewing gum and stuck it under the table. Yeah, so a wad, a small mass of soft material folded or rolled up, compressed. A wad of chewing tobacco. Yeah, he had a wad of tobacco in his mouth. Now, very often in informal English, we use this word a wad to talk about a mass of banknotes, yeah, a large amount of money. This reminds me of a character, Loads of Money, probably from the 80s. He was portrayed by Harry Enfield. Loads of Money was a plasterer who was always telling everybody about how much money he was making in Mrs. Thatcher's world. And the phrase I remember with this is, shut your gob, shut your mouth, and look at my wad. Look at my wad of money, my bankroll. Yeah, all of this money that I've got. Okay, so a wad of money. Yeah, a substantial pile of money, a wad of cash. Yeah, he shouldn't have been walking around with a wad of cash like that. You can even call somebody a tight wad. This means they're mean, that they don't take money out of their wad, they don't take money out of their cash. Okay, you can have wadding. Wadding is normally any soft material used to fill the space between something. I think for example, when making bullets or cartridges, you put the gunpowder and then you put wadding, something to jam it in place, something to give it shape. The glass vases were packed in wadding to stop them breaking during the move. Yeah, so packaging, something soft. Yeah, that is wadding. So a wad, a small mass. Yeah, a small mass of something. As in spitballs. Kids take a piece of paper and they chew them, and when they got a wad, they spit it at the teacher or at the person next to them. I guess you could have a wad of felt. This is a paper disc to go into a shotgun cartridge. Yeah, a soft mass wad to keep something packed down. Yeah, a wad of something that you chew. Yeah, so a wad of chewing gum, a wad of bubble gum, a wad of chewed paper, a wad of tobacco, and then a considerable amount of money, a bankroll, a roll of paper. Yeah, a wad of cash. He had a huge wad of cash in his pocket. Okay, so like a tight bundle, a ball of something. He took a wad of cotton and dipped it in alcohol and cleaned the surface. Yeah, a little piece. Maybe I take a piece of this and I make it into a wad. Yeah, and here we are, just a little wad of paper. Yeah, that's a wad of paper. Okay, or you could have, as I said, a wad of banknotes, a pile of banknotes, a mass. Yeah, he's got wads of friends, lots of. I think maybe wads of money, but he's got a huge wad. So again, I'm thinking of Harry Enfield, Loads of Money. Shut your gob and look at my wad. And he takes this wad of cash and he shoves it in your face. Okay, so let's see, formality. A wad of paper, wadding for a bullet. Wadding for a shotgun cartridge. I think I'm going to give five informality. Use that anywhere. A wad of cash. Shut your gob and look at my wad. Wad here. 3 informality. Just use it informally in an informal conversation, no more. Nothing more than that. And then as to origin, okay, there's an Old Norse word, walmal, woolen stuff, wool, val, cloth, mal, measure, a measure of cloth, so an amount of cloth from Old Norse. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wad.